Friends, today I wanted to talk to you about the whole COVID situation and how a lot of people are feeling nowadays. It's like you feel that you are out of the COVID is out of your control, and you have nothing to defend yourself with. Like this, the virus is there and you are there. There is nothing to defend you. Okay. Now let me show you some ways you can defend yourself. So this is the COVID defense system. So it's like there are three things you can do to protect yourself. The first one is the invisible protection shield that you can create around you with daily Raksha Kavach and Homa. Okay. And then the second thing that you can do for mental peace, a lot of people are suffering from mental issues like depression. Some people are even committing suicide because they are being isolated and they have nobody to talk to, and they are very afraid of this COVID attacking them. So for mental peace, it's good to do japa, meditation or puja. Okay, this will help you with keeping your mental peace. And the third aspect, third shield of protection is the physical protection. So whatever the media is discussing is usually the vaccine, getting a vaccine, wearing a double mask, quarantining yourself at home unless it is really important, you go out, and then maintaining the social distance and avoiding going to the high risk places. This is the common sense, what you can do. Okay. So along with this, you can do some physical exercises and breathing to keep your immune system strong. Okay, keeping yourself strong, avoiding the high risk areas, and using common sense at the physical level. So when you combine all these three things, you have a COVID defense system which looks like this. So previously you were like this, you and the virus. Virus can attack at any time. But now you are here. Around you is the physical protection. So you have the vaccine, the mask, the social distancing, avoid breathing and physical exercises from yoga. All those things you do to protect yourself physically with your strong immune system. On top of that, you build an invisible protection shield with your Raksha Kavach, daily chanting, and then the mental peace with japa, meditation, homa, puja, and finally the homa, daily doing homa and purifying your home and the family members' aura. So what this creates is layers of protection shield around you which protects you. Now look at the situation. Now what does the virus have? Any chance of getting to you? No chance. Okay. So when you do this, it is very powerful.